Your marriage isn't destroyed by loud fights. It's destroyed by silent misunderstandings that pile up day after day. If you're wondering why you feel distant from your partner, today's video might just open your eyes. Hi, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today we're diving into the 5 major communication problems that are silently hurting marriages. We will also be talking about how you can fix them before it's too late. Stay till the end, because the last point is something most couples don't even realize they're doing. Segment 1. You stop understanding each other. Think about this. You don't have to scream to break a marriage. You just have to stop understanding each other. Let's find out how small communication gaps can create giant emotional distances. Segment 2. 5 communication problems. Problem number 1. Talking to respond, not to understand. Most couples don't really listen. They're just waiting for their turn to speak. When you listen only to defend yourself, your partner feels unheard and slowly stops opening up. Here is the tip. Practice active listening. Pause, process, then reply. Problem number 2. Assuming, not asking. Have you ever thought, I already know what they're going to say? Assumptions kill real conversations. When you assume, you close the door to discovering your partner's true feelings. Here is the tip. Instead of guessing, clarify your doubts with your partner. Sound genuinely caring and listening. Problem number 3. Poor timing. Are you bringing up serious topics when your partner is tired, stressed, or distracted? That's a recipe for disaster. Even the best conversations fail if the timing is wrong. Here is the tip. Ask, is this a good time to talk? It shows your respect and concern for your partner and increases the chance of a positive outcome. Problem number 4. Bottling up feelings until you explode. Silence isn't always golden in marriage. When you bury your hurt feelings instead of expressing them, your resentment against your partner grows. And when you finally explode, everything turns ugly. Here is the tip. Communicate small issues early, before they grow into monsters. Problem number 5. Speaking with blame, not with responsibility. You never listen. You always forget. Such blaming statements only trigger defensiveness in your partner. When you attack, your partner responds by shielding up. Here is the tip. Use I statements instead of you accusations. For example, say, I feel unheard when this happens, instead of, you never care. This simple relationship technique is enough to bring things between you to normalcy. Segment 3. Powerful relationship ideas. Your married life isn't about agreeing on everything. It's about staying connected even when you disagree. And that connection is built on thoughtful, loving communication every single day. Always remember, it's not the big arguments that destroy love. It is the small conversations that never happen. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. And tell me in the comments, which communication mistake do you think is most common in marriages? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep communicating with love and watch your marriage blossom.